Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and our given question is 5 is to power k into 5 is to power k into 5 is to power k is equals to 20, and we should solve this question for this variable k. In order to solve this question, first we should add up these power with individual base, which is 5. How? Simply from the basic rule of algebra, if the values are in multiplication and having a same base value, then their power can add up together. So here we should apply the same rule. As a result, we should get 5 is to power k plus k plus k is equals to 20. Now in the next step, we should add up these 3k. As a result, we should get 5 is to power 3k, and this 20 can be break into 4 into 5. Now in order to get the value of for the k, first we should apply the log on the both sides of the equation. As a result, this expression can be written as log 5 is to power 3k is equals to log 4 into 5. Now by using the basic log property, we should apply on both of these values. As a result, this expression can be written as 3k log of 5. How? Simply according the basic rule of or basic property of log is, if the value having a base and having the power, and when we apply log on this value, those have a base and a power, then whose values power after applying the log will multiply with log and the base values. So here we should apply the same rule. As a result, this power value will multiply with the log and the base value. And on the other side of the equation, when we apply the log, from the basic property of the log, when we apply two values are, when we apply a log on a value which on a value or on a two value, both are multiplying together. After applying the log, this log value will apply individually with both of these value, and this multiplication will convert into positive value. So here we should apply the same value. As a result, these value can be written as log 4 plus log 5, because we write individually log with both of these values, and this plus will convert into positive sign. Now in the next step, we should move these log 5 value from the one side of the equation to the other side of the equation. As a result, this value can be written as 3k is equal to log of 4 over log of 5 plus log of 5 over log of 5, because this value will divide both of these values, or this value will go in division with both of these value individually. As a result, this log 5 and this log 5 will cancel together. As a result, we should get new value is 3k is equal to 1, because log 5 divided by log 5 is equal to 1. This plus will same as before, and according to log property, this value can be written as log 5 log base 5 with 4. Now this 3 will move from one side of the equation to the other side of the equation, and it will divide this value. As a result, we should get k is equal to 1 plus log base 5 4 over 3, and this is the answer for the value of k. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.